Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Haki Anisil Kolbi, NPM 22411184, kelas manajemen 2B. Saya di sini akan membacakan materi Benefit of Research Methodology. As explained earlier, this research methodology will be used when conducting research. The research methodology itself has several benefits, including benefit of research methodology: sharpen research results. A sharp and in-depth research certainly requires a lot of data source. Not only a lot, but the data sources in the research must also be of high quality and relate to the topic of the research problem. The more rigorous the research, the more detailed and complex it will be. To be able to produce an in-depth research, it is necessary to make a research methodology. With this, researchers will find it easier to know the basic thing in conducting research. In other words, without a research methodology, it will be difficult for researchers to conduct or start research, analysis, and even to draw conclusions. If this happens, the research conduction will be less than optimal. Clear research flow. The second benefit that can be felt when using research methodology in research is that the flow of research become clear. In this case, it can be said that research will find it easier to complete the research because they already know the steps that need to be done first. With the clear research flow, the research result be clear or not deviate anywhere, so that reader will find it easier to understand the study. Reader who easily understand a study, it is possible that research will be used by reader to conduct research with the same topic of discussion or development, or with a new topic of discussion. Can product useful research? Useful research is research that provide solution to the problem that have been studied. The benefit of this research can be felt by research of reader. However, to be able to produce useful research or research that is solutive, in-depth research is needed. What needs to be done to be able to conduct in-depth research is to conduct research activities in a systematic way, are arguably using a research methodology. The data source derived from the methodology are valid and the research will be carried out with full rigor, so that the solution provided on the topic of the research problem have no gaps and can be utilized. Research can be accounted for. The benefit that will be obtained from using research methodology is that the research result can be accounted for. This benefit can be obtained because when using research methodology, the data source are very valid. In addition, with valid data source, the result of research will be trusted by many people. In fact, data research themselves can also be trusted by many people. They can make quality research. Well, to get a valid data source requires a systematic step, and then step is the research methodology. Therefore, in conducting research methodology is often used to be researched so that they can still produce quality research while being accountable. Overcoming limitation. The fifth benefit of research methodology is that it can overcome limitation when conducting research. In this case, the limitation in question include cost, time, energy, and so on. With variety kind of limitation that can be overcome, it will be easier for research to complete their research. Although there are limitation to research with methodology, all of these limitations can be managed properly. Therefore, it can be said that research methodology is one way to overcome the obstacles that occur during research. So, never hesitate to create a research methodology when conducting research. Those are some of the benefits that can be obtained when using research methodology. So, What research methodology have you ever made? Objective of research methodology in general. The objective of research methodology in general include I am to develop pre-existing knowledge, to gain new knowledge and discoveries, or no one has ever examined the same research topic, to prove and test the data source used in research, whether they are valid and their truth can be accounted for, to get research, will the appropriate theoretical basic. The purpose of research methodology, practically, the practical objective of research methodology are make it easier for researchers to complete their research, providing support to reader or many people in overcoming current problem to research result, advancing science and technology so that it can provide benefit to society. Is that materi today? Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih.